the day, we used to play. Now we got older. Heart got colder.
Rolling the pace. Looks on my face.
Wake up.
Back in the day, we used to play. Now we so older. My bitch is so older. Driving cold blow. My bitches are pop. My vibes are top foes. I leave her, she slam doors. Close casket, wow wow. Big bang, jumbo. Look how fast. Look at my dash. Fuck up the turbo. AP Glade. They send me a bag and I with the sound. This is my wrist. I got a rich house. She blowing minds. It's her little freak out. I told her, ho, show it up, cause you got it. Free third. 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 I'm trying to see where you winning. I'm trying to see if you winning. How you trying to fuck up the money and still ask a nigga for pennies? I cooking you hoes like business. Every day I'm off limits. Devil know why me business. Frank Island like Kings. I'm sorry that I caught you, bitch. You already know I go looking for shit. I'm richer than all my ops. That's a big plot twist. I'm praying for all of my ops while I'm hawking for my next bitch. Oh, you praying for the motherfuckers now, cop? Yeah, they got a death wish. Yeah, he gotta go, bitch. And I know he know this. They said they see me run out the club, bitch. And I was late to notice. That 005 sitting on my back, bitch, it ain't hard to notice. If I seen that pussy alive, is him alive and focused. Alive. 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 Alive.
This that new season 10. This that fuck a best friend. This that pull up low, they thinking they high, they five out the gym. This that niggas been stealing the swag, they know damn well they ain't event. This that niggas ain't rich, they broke, tryna come around just to get a lend. Okay, these niggas in trouble, it's fuck 'em, I'm finna expose them, they too undercover. This for my mama, my daughter, my missus, I clean up a dinner, upgrading up suckers. These niggas suckers, they with it, we pull up in business and beat the fuck out 'em in public. Had to go crazy just for them to say that they hear me. Now bitch, I been feeling discovered. Hold on, I came back from the dead, now bitch, I feel alive. Niggas been popping that shit, it's a lie, you're rich and your brand ain't cooperated. Spinning that shit, I'm a villain, I sit on these niggas, they thought I was constipated. Laboratory, they been trying to get in it, they try to link up my infection with I'm liver than all of you niggas. I put the bitch in a blicker, them youngins gon' load up and get them, they catch them and stretch them. 2, 2, and 3, it ain't missing a beat, we gon' pray up to heaven and step in the legends. I try to make back like a Jeep, I've been moving the street, every plane that I throw, they try catch. Every time that I step on the scene, I just want them to test me, they know that I've been living rage. I'm loving myself, I've been having a advantage, I'm ready to eat, I've been counting up ladies. Oh, I got them hitters, they ready to go. That ain't a model, I bought her a bottle and fucked on her bottom and since she was so. I'm on a slash of a knot of a cat, on a Z like a Zoe and Javinci Pico. I'm the realest, the illest, the richest, I know that they know and I know that they know. Nigga, oh, make a bad bitch come carry my load. Come in a circle, they feeling alive. Man, these niggas 200 is oh. Fuck it, let's run it, I let go my pride. I go to work on my kids, my child. These niggas better to stay up inside.
Yeah. Let me call my tone real quick. You know what I'm saying? I got Snake finna pull up the studio. I phone with him, I don't know like that. Hey, come to the studio though. Hey, B, come to the studio. Right now. Studio. Tryna outwalk me, that's impossible. Let's talk about it. All black chrome art belts. I went martial arts, let's talk about it. They keep dirt on my name, dirt on my fame, but I ain't even worried about it. My bitch got that new body. SIT with the wide body. Big house like firelight. G6, no paparazzi. Beach taste, not a stone cloudy. Fuck it, I just bought 10 watch. My maid came with a maid. She need help to clean my stain. I saw. She went to check before the net. Respect. She went to check before the net. Respect. Free third. Free third. Free third.